Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss outsourcing concept. It is most important concept. So over the last decade, a new type of business within service sector has become popular in the world. It is called business process outsourcing. You must have heard about BPO. BPO stands for business process outsourcing. So what is the meaning of BPO? So BPO refer to getting a business task accomplished through an outside agency. Clear? When you get your work done by an outside agency, it is known as outsourcing. Initially, only a few companies in USA adopted the practice of outsourcing by assigning the routine job to outside agencies so that company could concentrate on critical issue without wasting time on the routine work. Later on, it became popular in the world and other country. Earlier, company used to hire outside agency to perform tasks which used to come up occasionally. For example, companies used to hire services of management consultant for getting their employee trained or to design their advertisement. To routine job, the routine job were performed by the regular staff of the company. Now the trend has changed. The companies have started hiring outside agencies to perform routine job such as after sales service, maintaining book of accounts, etc. The company must identify what is their core competence and concentrate only on that and outsource other function to outside agencies which are specialized in this function so that company can concentrate on crucial matter. So but I बहुत common बात है, there is limited time, and when you are operating a company then there is a lot of work which need to be performed. So all the important work or critical work are done by the company itself. Rest all other work which are not so important is outsourced to the outside agency. Clear? जितने भी जो भी आपके कोर वर्क हैं वो कोर वर्क कंप्लीट करती है कंपनी, और जितने भी सेकेंडरी वर्क है या लेस इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क है उन सबको बाहर से एजेंसी हायर करके कंप्लीट करवाया जाता है. इट इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ आउटसोर्सिंग. आई होप it is clear to you. Yes, if any doubt then you can ask. Now we are going to discuss some features of BPO, business process outsourcing के कुछ features है. First feature is BPO involve contracting out. Outsourcing means to source out what you have been doing in house. For example, most of the company were appointing their own security guards for protecting and safety of their premise. But now they are entrusted outside agency to perform these activity for their organization on contractual basis. Yes, we have just seen that here we give the contract to the outside agency. हम लोग एक बाहर की आउटसाइड एजेंसी को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट प्रोवाइड करते हैं, उनसे उनकी सर्विसेज हायर करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट फीचर, आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. सेकेंड फीचर इज generally non-core business activities are outsourced. Now you know it very well that whatever activity which belong to the core business activity, company keep it with themselves itself. जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट एक्टिविटी कोर एक्टिविटी है वो सारी एक्टिविटीज कंपनी अपने पास रखती है, एंड जो नॉन कोर एक्टिविटीज हैं उन सारी एक्टिविटीज को आउटसोर्स किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, if school, for we take the example of a school educating a student is core activity. clear. For a school, educating a student is a core activity, whereas running a canteen, uniform counter, etc. non-core activity. They prefer to outsource canteen, bookshop, uniform counter, etc. and keep education with themselves only. So providing education is core activity which school keep it to themselves, and all other activities are outsourced. Third one is process may be outsourced to a captive unit or third party. Yes, we know it very well that whenever we are outsourcing the service, then there will be a third party. So these are some characteristics or features of business process outsourcing. I hope it is clear to you. Still you have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay, thank you so much.